Hi friends, myself Bhavan Jha from Biology Guru. Today I have these topics from class 12th biology. These are very important for board as well as all pre-medical exams. Today's topics for discussion are pollen grain from chapter 2 and opioid drugs from chapter 8. First one is pollen grain from chapter 2, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Pollen grains are generally spherical structure having diameter about 25 to 50 micron. It has prominent two-layered wall. The hard outer layer is called exine, which is made up of fatty substance sporopollenin. Sporopollenin is one of the most resistant organic material known. It can withstand high temperature, strong acid and alkali. It is not degraded by any enzyme. Pollen grains are well preserved as fossils due to presence of sporopollenin. Exine has prominent apertures where sporopollenin is absent. These are called germ pores through which intine emerges as pollen tube. Exine is differentiated into outer extexine and inner end exine. Extexine is made up of continuous foot layer, discontinuous baculate layer and outermost continuous layer called tectum. Tectum provides characteristic designs over the surface of pollen grains. In insect pollinated pollen grains, exine is covered by yellowish sticky and oily layer called pollen kit, which can stick insects. A study of pollen grain is called palynology. The inner wall of pollen grain is called intine. It is thin and continuous layer made up of cellulose and pectin. The cytoplasm of pollen grain is surrounded by plasma membrane. At maturity, pollen grain contains two cells. First one is vegetative cell and second one is generative cell. Vegetative cell, it is bigger in size, has abundant food reserve and large irregularly shaped nucleus. Second one is generative cell. It is smaller in size, spindle shaped with dense cytoplasm and nucleus. It floats in the cytoplasm of vegetative cell. In over 60% of angiosperms, pollen grains are shed at this two-celled stage. In the remaining species, generative cell divides by mitosis to give rise to two male gametes before pollen grains are shed, that is at three-celled stage. Second topic is opioid drugs from chapter 8, that is human health and disease. Opioids or opiate drugs are bind to specific opioid receptors present in our central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. Heroin, commonly called smack, it is chemically diacetyl morphine, which is white, odorless, bitter and crystalline compound. It is obtained by acetylation of morphine, which is extracted from latex of unripe capsule of poppy plant, that is Papaver somniferum, family Papaveraceae. It is generally taken by snorting and injection. Heroin is depressant and slows down body functions. Morphine is principal opium alkaloid. It is sedative, that is sleep causing and painkiller. Morphine is very useful in patients who have undergone surgery. Natural opioids or opiates are morphine and codeine. Semi-synthetic opiates are heroin and synthetic opiates are methadone and pethidine. Thanks for watching such a wonderful video. Thanks.